we pre-lighten her to a level 9. Level 9. All right? The color you see on here is just our red and our white paint. All right? About 85% of our white paint, a few drops of red throughout. But at the same time, we talked about earlier, with her being so very, very light, all right, is the hair color going to last? It's not going to last very, very long because of it being so what? Light. So now you will have to shampoo her with a color shampoo. I would take the same color that I mixed up for my hair paint and put that with my moisturizing shampoo. So when she comes back to the salon, I will shampoo her with my pink shampoo. Not a pink shampoo that I get from the store, because that pink at the store may not be the same pink. So this is how you can customize your color and customize your color shampoo. Does that make sense? Now, at the same time, you can retail your client that same color shampoo. Very, very easy, because everything we're doing with color is made for us to make money. Nobody in here should be making under $150,000 a year if you're doing 3 colors or more a day right now. And everybody in here can make that kind of money. But the most important tool you have right now is your mouth. How many of y'all do mouth exercises in the morning? All right, a couple. That means you have to look in the mirror and say 400, 500, 400, 500. Look in the mirror. And when you start saying those numbers, when somebody says, how much for the hair color? 400, just like that. Boom, it just rolls off your mouth. But if you're not confident and you don't study enough, you'll say some crazy number like, no, $80, $100, and she'll be fine with it. But you're pre-lighting the hair and you're getting that hair very, very beautiful. And you're keeping that hair on the head. All right, let you walk to the front right quick. All right.